This is a DIY face mask and you're welcome to my channel. Hi guys, if you want to achieve this clear glowing skin naturally, do keep on watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share to everyone. Here is a picture of what my skin looks like before I started applying this DIY face mask and after. Here is my DIY face mask. The ingredients are things you can get anywhere. So keep on watching if you want to know what I mixed in this bowl. First, you're going to need turmeric powder. Turmeric contains powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It is good for glowing skin and it also helps treat acne. Next, we have lime. Lime contains vitamin C, which is good for your skin collagen. It also has a natural lightening agent. Next, we have honey. Pure honey is good for the skin. It also helps glow your skin. It helps treat dark spots and discoloration and also help fight acne. Lastly, we have milk. Milk contains lactic acid, which help boost skin health and renew collagen production. Now, you're going to take a clean bowl and add a teaspoon of turmeric, depending on the amount of face masks you are willing to make, probably for one's use. And then you're going to add a little bit of lime or lemon juice. Now please remember that I said a little bit of lime juice because it can burn your skin, and make sure that if you're adding this lime juice, you're not going to go into the sun. Use this face mask in the night when you're about to go to bed. Next, you're going to add honey. Now, for this honey, you can add as much as you want because honey is very good for the skin. It helps fight discoloration, acne. You know, honey is it's just very good for your skin. It also helps your skin glow naturally. If you have wounds, it also helps heal wounds. So you see, honey is very nice for your skin. Finally, you're going to add the milk. Now, I told you earlier that the milk contains lactic acid, which help firming your skin, and it's just very, very good for this face mask. I went ahead to add more honey because it was thick, and this is what I have now. So this is my mixture, and I had already applied this face mask the night before, so my skin is already looking better. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my skin. Now you want to make sure that you're consistent with this. You're going to use it for like 3 to 5 days. Please, if you keep using it, please make sure that you add a little bit of lime or lemon juice, maybe a drop, because lime or lemon juice can burn your skin. And after applying this face mask, you leave it for just 5 minutes. Do not exceed. And when you're done, you're going to go ahead and rinse it off. Now, this is my face after I've rinsed it off. You apply a moisturizer to your skin. The one I'm using here is called Omari Cold Face Moisturizer. It's very good. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. Now, this is what I have my skin looking like. Now, imagine what my skin will look like after 5 days. So go ahead and try this out. Now, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.